Lionheart, thank God, right, how's it going? Heavyweight champion, I've got a favour to ask you, a big favour, right, you know what happened last night with me and Boddington, you know what's going on tonight. Boddington has put me in a tag match with Raging Storm and he's left it to me to find my own tag partner. Now I can't find anybody in East Kilbride that wants to tag with me. Nobody, I've asked everybody. Now please, you're my last chance, mate. You're heavyweight champion in this company. You represent this company and I know that you and I don't see eye to eye, right? But that's all in the past. All I need is for you to tag with me one night to help me get my own back in Boddington, then I'll get your hair. Please, mate, please.
Let me get this straight. He's put you in a tag match against Raging Storm. No one in the entire arena is prepared to tag with you.
No.
And I'm your last chance.
You're my last chance.
Good luck.
Please, mate.